Hi, today in front of you OnePlus Nord 5G and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail accounts on this device. So first we should launch the Gmail application. Tap on the right upper corner, and to log out from Gmail app, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. So click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account, click to the three dots on the right upper corner and tap to remove account. Are you sure? Tap to OK. If you use some protect methods, you could use them. Now we just successfully log out from Google account. That's why let's go back to the application. Let's check, and we could see that we just also successfully log out from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.